Imagine spending the night in a room that costs over $5,000. But what if I told you that's not even the most incredible thing about this hotel? From private butlers to Michelin star dining, this London hotel redefines luxury at every turn. Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. Today we're diving into the world of luxury hotels in London, one of the world's most opulent cities. But this place, it's not just any luxury hotel. We're about to explore a stay that combines exclusivity, world-class design, and some mind-blowing perks that you won't find anywhere else in the city. Finding the luxury experience in London is no easy feat. With so many options, how do you choose a place that stands out? Many hotels promise the best, but this one actually delivers. From a challenge of choice to a definitive answer, this hotel offers a luxury experience that's second to none, with exceptional attention to detail, personalized service, and an environment crafted for those who expect only the best. Let's take a look inside. As you step through the doors, the hotel greets you with a stunning art-filled lobby and staff waiting to meet your every need. The rooms? They're beyond spacious and designed with elegance. Each one feels like a private residence with breathtaking views over London. You'll find amenities like an in-room spa, a fully stocked minibar with rare treats, and a smart control system that lets you tailor every detail. Then there's the dining experience, multiple award-winning chefs creating a menu you'll never forget. And now the ultimate highlight, the Royal Suite. Imagine a private multi-room haven with its own cinema, 24-hour butler service, and even a rare art collection. But the best part? An exclusive rooftop terrace where you can enjoy London's skyline from a private hot tub. It's the perfect blend of luxury and privacy, making guests feel like royalty in the heart of the city. So, there you have it. This hotel doesn't just promise luxury, it delivers an experience like no other from start to finish. It's all about immersing guests in a world of elegance, comfort, and unforgettable memories. What do you think? Would you stay here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're as obsessed with luxury travel as I am, don't forget to check out our other video on the top 5 most unique luxury destinations around the world. See you there.